Imagine owning a piece of the company that provides the lights and power in Metro Manila, Cavite, Rizal, Bulacan, Laguna, Pampanga, and Batangas. Here is the exciting part. Over 8 million households and businesses depend on it every single day. Despite being a regulated utility monopoly, Meralco is not just stable. It's a growing business with rising profits, dividends, and turning toward renewables. Could it be the most understood yet underrated Philippine stock exchange company? Let's find out. Just a disclaimer, this content is for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. The Philippine stocks rebounded yesterday and today to return above the 6,400 line on improved buying interest as a stronger peso and gains on Wall Street boosted sentiment, which encouraged renewed foreign inflows. Today, the benchmark Philippine Stock Exchange jumped by 0.37% or 24.22 points to close at 6,498.82, while the broader All Shares Index went up by 0.37% or 13.43 points to end at 3,606.53. This was the Philippine Stock Exchange Index's best close in nearly a month or since it finished at 6,487.53 on January 15. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index for the past 5 years has been moving sideways, where in late 2025, prices started to move upwards up to present. Manila Electric Company is the largest electricity distributor in the Philippines. It holds the franchise to distribute power across Metro Manila and several adjacent provinces. Meralco's business model is a blend of traditional electricity generation and distribution and operation of renewable energy. This business is regulated distribution utility or DU, which means that it has stable and predictable earnings. The power generation of Meralco is done through Meralco Powergen Corp or MGen. This business unit is also growing and less regulated. Meralco is positioning itself for future energy trends through the retail electricity supply and renewables ventures. This strategic diversification gives Meralco a unique and exceptional balance of stability and growth potential. Let's break down the numbers and trends that matter the most to you, the investors. Meralco's annual net income has been on an upward trend with 27 billion pesos in 2022 and last year it garnered 50 billion pesos. Income growth was supported by higher energy sales volume and transmission charges. EBITDA, though not in a linear growth, still shows that the company is earning quite well. What does this mean for us investors? Consistent profit growth demonstrates Meralco's ability to monetize demand, especially in essential services like power. We cannot discount the expansion of Meralco into new segments like renewable energy and generation as these units eventually can increase its earnings in the next few years. The average dividend yield for Meralco for the past 4 years is around 4.9%. This is a solid yield compared to many utilities and decent for a blue chip dividend stock. This dividend yield with growth over time is especially appealing for income-focused investors, making Meralco not just a utility stock but a dividend-paying asset for a long-term portfolio. Meralco isn't without its hurdles and challenges, hence, investors should know them. As a regulated utility, any change in policies or rate approvals by energy regulators can affect revenues and margins. This is a structural risk for all utility companies. There have been public concerns and allegations about electricity rates and overcharging, highlighting political and reputational risks. Like all stocks, Meralco's share price can fluctuate with market sentiment, rebalancing events, or broader economic conditions. One example is profit-taking occurring after PSE index changes. Meralco is investing in generation and renewable projects, which are capital-intensive and influenced by energy prices and technical cycles. Despite the challenges, Meralco's growth story is still a very compelling one. Firstly, power generation is becoming a bigger profit contributor, with robust growth in LNG or liquefied natural gas and solar projects. Retail electricity supply and renewable ventures expand beyond the core utility footprint. Second, CapEx has been increasing. This is a signal that Meralco is building for future demand, including grid modernization and renewable capacity. Lastly, Meralco's franchise is extended well into the future, offering visibility and structural stability. Here are some growth tailwinds to expect from Meralco. First, rising electricity consumption as economy grows. As you can see, the country is continuously modernizing, and population is increasing the demand for electricity. Second, renewables and cleaner technology offering future revenue streams. As a business, Meralco wanted to be sustainable and environmentally friendly, thus the need to slowly shift into renewable energy. These trends point towards sustained relevance for decades. Looking at the 5-year stock performance of Meralco, generally it is on the uptrend. It is hitting the higher highs, which means that the stock is behaving upwards until now. So if you are a wise investor, we can conclude that Meralco is not only a good dividend stock, but also a growth stock. So the source of our investment is two-way, one from dividends and the other from price appreciation. What should investors think after knowing this information? Number one, Meralco is a stable core stock with reliable dividends. Dividend history tells us that Meralco is consistently distributing dividends to its shareholders. It offers profit growth with diversification into generation and renewables. Meralco is continuously looking at how it can improve its business prospects. With sufficient income and capital, this company can create more opportunities for expansion. It thrives in an essential industry. This electricity and power that everyday life depends on. Imagine our lives without electricity. It combines defensive stability with strategic growth prospects. If you found this breakdown useful, please hit like and subscribe for more stock reviews like this one. Comment below what Philippine company you want us to analyze next. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can never miss an update. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing wisely, and let your money work as hard as you do.